Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a software update. So here in the LG XBOOM application we have to scroll down till we see the more product settings. Here we have the update button, device version info update. We have the update. Here, before starting the update, check speaker battery or power. Bluetooth is a short distance communication protocol, so the speaker and the phone should be within optimal distance. Data triggers may apply. Check Wi-Fi. And remember that downgrade not supported. Do you want to start it? We have to tap OK here. Do not turn the power off when the product is updating. As you can see now, our update is being transferred to the speaker. It will take, I'd say, 5 minutes at the maximum. It depends, of course, on the distance between your phone and the speaker, on your Bluetooth module, in your phone, etc. So now let's wait. As you can see, we are going up to 100% now, and it took us 3 minutes. Now we have speaker is updating status, so we just have to wait again. Of course, we have to remember to not turn off our speaker within this process, because it may damage the speaker permanently, and you will just have the problem of the speaker. Now, as you can see, the update is done. We can tap OK, and now the speaker is turned off. We have to now turn on our speaker using just a simple click at the back of the speaker. And now our phone is connected, and now our application is connected. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day.